Yeah. Ready? This should be pretty cool. Worms. Yep. It's worms in there. It's the VermiBag. Got a thermometer in there to let me know what the temperature is going on, and the humidity. Zip this. Got a little guy right there. So they are not crawling. They're not crawling up to their ceiling. It looks like they might be doing a little bit of crawling on the sides, but you know, they love this burlap. Ready? They love it. They just crawl through it. It's like a jungle gym for my wormies. They really love it. As for this corn cob that you see, I definitely am gonna go to a thrift store and get a used food processor and use a food processor for it so that I can just sprinkle it in here like cornmeal. It's a little bit wet. I've got zoom in here a little bit. I've got a little bit of a moisture problem. I have probably, there's a lot of them right there. They love the corn, man. They love corn. Love corn. I got probably I would say at least 3,000 worms in here. Probably more. This is my latest acquisition. It's a micro shredder. Excuse this fan. I'm trying to cool off my machine here. Shreds it to this. You know, as opposed to the typical, like that one. It's actually pretty dusty. But, let's see, it's still dripping. So, it'll dry out. This is a really nice system. It's you know, I mean, I wouldn't mind this being right up in my living area. This is in the basement, obviously, because it's a mess, but it'd be fine in the living area. You should throw your trash right in it. You know, it would take longer. Maybe throw different worms in there. The ones that compost faster. But I love it. And my little ones, friends come over, and they love looking through here. And some of them, I have 2 girls, so it's just a bunch of little girls that come over here. And anywhere from 11 years old to like 2 or 3, and they all absolutely love checking out the worms, and most of them like to pick them up. They want to hold them. So it's really cool if you got families too. All right, bye-bye. No truth slaps today. Bye-bye.